Oh, ayeyo.
Ayeyo.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
Look at him. This is haram. Don't touch me.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, and then do you know what grandfather is? Abayo.
Come on, yeah.
No, ready? Your grandfather is Awowe.
Awowe.
It's so easy, isn't it? Like Ayeyo and Awowe.
Oh, it's so
easy. Okay, and then your brother is Abowe.
So how do you say I love you?
One kuchalahai.
One kuchalahai.
This guy, she's so good.
Do you know what you need to say? Next time you go see, you say to him, ready, repeat after me. Waha tahai
Tahai
ninkega.
ninkega.
Waha tahai ninkega.
Tahai ninkega.
And then you say waha tahai
Tahai
bokorkega.
bukarkega. And what are you telling me?
I say so waha tahai ninkega means you are my husband, and then waha tahai bokorkega means you are my king.
That's so cute.
And then you finish it off with one kuchala.
Oh, you're so good.
Yeah.
No, that's so much, man.
Okay,
So you can practically understand when they're talking.
A lot.
No, not
Sometimes she reads the comment and she knows like, this guy, I know what he's talking about. But like,
Yeah, imagine she goes out to like Somalian parties and then they start talk shit about her and she's like, you know, they will never. Oh, about us. Dead.
Fario means.
Go funny. This guy is
You know
crazy.
what the fario means?
No, the fariho.
The fario. It means
fario.
like pig ass.
Pig ass.
Yeah.
The fariho halal. Oh no, that's haram. That's haram.
The far can never be halal. Come on.
That's haram.
Yeah.
That's what I was looking for.
Big haram.
Yeah.
No, none of that.
Oh, Somali. Hayigen Hotela. We're gonna break that song.
Hayigen Hotelada ay galafano. Hayigen Hotelada ay galafano ay searching kagunimo. Markadiga gungadano turbagosa hayoran hayoran markadiga gungadana turbagosa hayoran